Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I got this little package here. This is a rear view camera. I bought it off online for a customer of mine. So if you have a vehicle that doesn't have a rear view backup camera and you want to install it, I'm going to show you how to install this. But today's video is going to be just an unboxing, so follow up on the installation video. It's very simple. This is a Wi-Fi camera, so there's only like two lines, two cables that you have to connect, and you do not need to route anything inside the vehicle. Inside you have a little screen that plugs into your cigarette lighter. You can even splice the cables and connect it to a power source, positive and negative. That should take care of it. But other than that, you simply just plug it into the outlet port, cigarette lighter, phone charging port, and it's Wi-Fi. So every time you put the car to reverse, the power engages from the reverse cable, from the reverse bulbs, and it activates the camera, and boom, you get a signal. So it's very simple. I got this off on Amazon. I will post a link. And so it's a small little box. It was like $105. It was on sale. Usually this is something like this is $120 and tax. But anyways, there it is, the booklet. My lighting is just terrible, but it's a 5-inch monitor. This gives you all the instructions how to install it, and inside this they give you a cable that you're gonna connect to your camera. They give you a few of these waterproof seals, and then you have another power source here. So I believe one is for the camera and one is for your the screen that you're gonna put in the dash or up on the mirror. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this stuff and I'm gonna put it to the side. So since you have seen, so it's gonna come with the cable like that. Then it's gonna come with another cable like that. So sorry, my camera probably stopped a little bit. So here we have it. And then it comes with the two weatherproof seals there. And then you got this little guy. This is your cigarette lighter. You plug it in to the power source and it connects to your camera. It does give you two of these, so that's going to be positive and negative. Power source gives you two strap ties, and this here, right here, is the actual camera in this little package. It's pretty heavy. It feels heavy, feels good. So here it is. So there's your camera. What the camera look like, and it is a night vision, so you can adjust it in any angle you like. You can move it around any angle you like. So I'm going to show you how to install this. So this pretty much connects right there, and yeah, and then it got a Wi-Fi antenna. I'll suggest you take this inside the vehicle, so we might have to drill a small hole because the customer wanted it up on top of the roof. So let me, so this is a pretty good antenna. This is nothing, it's probably like good 30-40 feet with this guy. That's what I think it says on the description. But anyways, that's that. Let me put this all to the side. And then on the little box down below, you have the backup camera. So that's what you're looking at right there. And I could probably just demonstrate this for you, but I don't want to go crazy, and I don't want to plug things up. And this thing pretty much straps on to your mirror, and it's very simple and very easy installation. And you're gonna see me do this. There's a few buttons over here in the bottom that might be the switcher. You can probably put two cameras and have side views or front view or back view. But anyways, thank you for watching my video. If you want to get something like this, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Don't forget to send me a message. I will put a link down below, and stay tuned for a follow-up video. What's up, guys? We got the Pro Master here today, and I'm gonna show you how I install this camera. Processor is not easy, but it's not hard either. But anyways, doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you have. I showed you the unboxing of the camera. And so very simple. So check this out. It's already ready to go. The camera is installed already, so it doesn't have these little straps. Remember in the video I said There were seals. They're not the seals. They're just holding this guy up. So pretty much the camera is a plug and play. There's a cable going from here, and I wiped it all the way down. I popped this open, ran the wire behind the airbag. Be careful. Airbag is safety stuff, and you don't want to wrap the bag around either. So just try to get it around, and the cable came down here. I'm gonna show you what I did there. But I got the camera running. Check this out. Press the brake. All I'm gonna do is oh, wipers are on. Why? Oh my god. Anyways, so check this out. As soon as I put the key on, camera gets to power, it's ready to go. Okay, the camera is ready to go. All I have to do is put this reverse, and there you go, the camera kicks in. That's how simple it is. All right, so as soon as I put it to park, it should turn off, and then this signal here should all go away, because we no longer need it. Now this turns into a backup camera, like you can see yourself in it. Anyways, just have it lined to where you want it at. So it's very simple. Again, reverse, the camera should kick in immediately. What it does is when you put the car to reverse, the camera in the back gets a power source from the reverse cables. So that's where we're gonna pick the power from. But anyway, this cable runs here. It's very simple. No cable comes from the camera. Okay, it's wireless. This thing is wireless. So over here, I bought this jumper here. I found the fuse right here. So this is the fuse right here. I'm sorry, this is the fuse. It's the first you need to find a fuse that shuts off with your key off. It shuts off. So that's where then it turns to a dual fuse, and that's where it gets the power from the camera. And then I took a ground right here. I put a tap screw right there. But anyway, let's go in the back. I'm gonna show you the camera that I got installed in the back. I do have a small little request for you guys. So there's the camera all the way up there. There's the camera right in the middle between the two lights. The customer said he wanted no holes, no nothing. So what I did was I used the two lights, and they worked perfectly for me. My plan was, but see this light right there, that was the center point of it. But anyways, that's where it's gonna be at. But mostly you would put it on the plate here. But up, it's locked. Locked myself out. Where's the unlock button on this car's here? So very simple. Anybody can do this, okay? It took me a good hour and a half. That was the first time I ever installed the camera. So when you put the car to reverse, this light turns on. So what I did was from back here, let's go before that. So all you do is you pop this light open right here, and everything's in there. The wiring, you see the camera wires are coming right by that light right there. That's where I got the wires. Some of the antennas in there too. And this thing goes back into its housing. Okay, come on, there you go. You should turn off with the door. Anyways, right back here, you take off these screws right here. All I did was I took off the bulb, and I found the cable that the bulb was connected to. Right back there, I connected the cables, and as you can see, the ground is all the way up there. There's a ground also on the body itself. Hard to see. You see it right there? That's where that ground is. So just two cables. Power positive to the reverse light, but the positive, and the negative, you're gonna grab it off the body. You could tap it somewhere and make sure there's no paint. And that's how simple it is to install a backup camera. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Okay, so the little fuse adapter that I have is a part number right there, 785135, and that's all it says, battery accessories, and it costed me total $20.